How to clear caching data from Snapchat app. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here as you can see I am already on my Snapchat app. I am on my profile, so make sure that you go here too. So from here you just have to click on the gear from the right top corner. So these are the settings. Click on that and then scroll down. And at the bottom at account actions, we have clear cache, the first option, clear cache. So click on that and here you have to click on continue. And then to clear the data, we have to go to our settings and then scroll down until you find apps. So here you can search for Snapchat, click on the app and then go to storage. And here at the bottom we have clear data and clear cache, so make sure that you click on those. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.